Best crypto to buy? Experts bullish on meme index as presale crosses $1.5 million. Meme index, $MEMX, has surpassed $1.5 million in its presale phase, attracting significant attention from investors. This isn't surprising, as the project offers a novel approach to meme coin investment by providing access to multiple meme coin indexes through its native token, $MEMX. The meme coin market reached a valuation of $137 billion in 2024 and started the new year with over $100 billion in combined market cap. By redefining meme coin investing, meme index could be one of the hottest tokens to watch this year. What makes meme index unique? Cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Pepe showcase the resilience of the meme coin sector. Nonetheless, the overwhelming number of projects can make selecting the appropriate investment challenging. The meme index addresses this challenge by offering curated indexes that provide broad exposure to the meme coin market by simplifying the investment process and spreading risk. It also saves investors money, as with a single transaction, they can get exposure to multiple meme coins, which would otherwise require many transactions to purchase individually. However, investors will need to buy $MEMX tokens to use the meme index. Meme index offers investors access to 4 indexes with different investment strategies and risk levels: Titan, Moonshot, Midcap, and Frenzy. The Meme Titan Index includes the top 10 meme coins, such as Doge, SHIB, Pepe, Bonk, and WIF. These tokens boast a market cap of over $1 billion, strong historical performance, and stable growth potential. This index offers the lowest risk but also the lowest potential for significant gains. The Moonshot Index focuses on tokens with market caps below $1 billion, targeting projects with high upside potential but higher risk, such as Popcat and MEW. Midcap Index targets tokens with market caps between $50 million and $250 million, offering high growth opportunities ranging from 4x to 20x if these tokens reach a $1 billion market cap. The Meme Frenzy Index targets high-risk investors, incorporating volatile tokens with significant growth potential. This index may not suit all investors, as many of the meme coins it includes could fail. Nonetheless, all it takes is a single meme coin to explode, making the investment in this index rewarding. $MEMX token, the gateway to meme indexes and high-yield staking. The $MEMX token is central to accessing the meme index ecosystem. Token holders can invest in the curated indexes, and they can earn through the platform's staking protocol, which currently offers an impressive annual percentage yield, APY, of 1,500%. This can be an excellent way to increase token holdings without making additional purchases, which can later be used to invest in the meme indexes. However, the staking yields are dynamic and will decrease as more tokens are staked, so early adopters stand to benefit the most. Another use case for the $MEMX token is governance. Token holders can vote on which tokens to be added or removed from the indexes. They can also submit proposals for voting, which makes this project highly decentralized. Crypto analysts are excited about this project. For example, Crypto Gains, a YouTube commentator with over 140K subscribers, believes this is an excellent opportunity to get in early on a high-potential project. Meme Index. This is launching soon. Get in early. Limited time to buy $MEMX at the current presale price. Investors have less than 24 hours to purchase $MEMX at its current presale price of $0.0148639 before the price increases in the next stage. Early investors can buy the token with USDT, ETH, BNB, or a bank card through the Meme Index website.